In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coming soon page on WordPress.com. Whether you're preparing for a new website launch or simply need a placeholder, a coming soon page is an essential tool to keep visitors informed and engaged. Let's dive in and go through the entire process step by step. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your browser and visit WordPress.com. You'll want to log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the WordPress.com dashboard. Here, you can manage your sites and access various tools for building and customizing your website. Next, navigate to your WordPress admin dashboard by going to localhost WordPress WP admin. This step might differ slightly depending on your local setup, but essentially, you want to access the back end of your WordPress site where all the magic happens. From the dashboard, you should see a menu on the left-hand side. Find and click on the SeedProd option. SeedProd is a powerful plugin that allows you to create stunning landing pages, including your coming soon page. Inside SeedProd, look for the Landing Pages section and give it a click. This is where you can create and manage different types of landing pages. You're specifically looking to create a coming soon page, which you can do by selecting it from the available options. If you already have a page designed that you want to use or modify, go ahead and select Edit. This will open up the page editor where you can customize it to fit your needs. With the page editor open, you'll find various tools and elements you can use to design your page. Using the Elementor Page Builder, you can drag and drop elements like images, text, and forms to create a fully custom coming soon page. Take your time here, explore different design options, and make sure it conveys the message you want to send to your visitors. Remember, this is the first impression people will have of your upcoming site, so it's worth putting in the effort to make it look appealing. Once you're satisfied with the design, don't forget to save your work by clicking the Save button. This ensures all the changes you've made are stored and you're ready to launch whenever you decide the time is right. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a coming soon page on WordPress.com. It's a straightforward process, but taking the time to familiarize yourself with the tools will make your site building experience much smoother. Thanks for watching, and happy website launching.